I'm very happy to have hosted in Spain during the Spanish presidency the AI Alliance Assembly, where we have discussed during 2 days how Europe can become a leader for trustworthy AI. We have gathered policymakers, researchers, startups, public and private institutions to discuss on very important topics where Europe is giving a voice to the rest of the world. We have talked about ethics, fairness, we have talked about global collaboration, principles and values, how to put people in the center. And there have been very important outcomes of this meeting. I particularly had the chance to coordinate a meeting between EU and Latin American Caribbean countries that have ended up with important declaration in which we are committed to align our regulatory policies towards the same common goal. And as you know, we are in the final stage of the negotiation of the AI Act, and had also the opportunity and the luxury to share the scenario with the co-legislators, Dragos Tudorache and Bernardo Bonifay, and with Roberto Viola. The fact that we have been working for 4 years putting in place this important legislation, I think it can make us be really the leaders, the front runners of a more human-centric technology development, because that is absolutely in line with our common shared values as European democratic societies. So I thank very much the European Commission, the AI Alliance Assembly for organizing this event. It has been a tremendous success, and I think this is the start of an ongoing conversations between public and private institutions in front of the great challenges that we have had.